Kids, today we will learn the names of different birds in English and Hindi. Let's start the video, kids. Black color. S W A N. Swan. 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 Swan means Hans. Red color. E A G L E. Eagle. 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 Eagle means chill. Blue color. S P A R O W. Sparrow. 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 Sparrow means chidiya. Parrot green color. O S T R I C H. Ostrich. 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 Ostrich means shuturmurg. Yellow color. B U L B U L. Bulbul. 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 Bulbul means bulbul. Kids, revise one more time. SWAN. Swan. Swan means Hans. EAGLE. Eagle. Eagle means chill. SPARROW. Sparrow. Sparrow means chidiya. OSTRICH. Ostrich. Ostrich means shuturmurg. BULBUL. Bulbul. Bulbul means bulbul. Great job, kids. Today we learned many birds' name in English and Hindi. See you in next learning video. Bye bye.